Hi, this is Christy, and I'm going to show you. I tried using vidIQ as a complete beginner, and this is what I found. So stay tuned. So, first of all, earlier today, I went in and I signed up for the monthly account, which I think is $19 a month, which is super affordable. And then I installed the extension so that it makes it easy when you are editing and adding details inside of YouTube itself. And what this did is it went into my videos on my channel and it suggested a new video, and I just love this. And it gives you the title, the tags, and the description. So it says that based on the videos I've already made, that my next video could possibly be how to create and sell digital templates for beginners. And then it gives me top related keywords and then it scores it. I'm assuming 100 is the top score. So these would be the keywords that I can add into my title, my tags. It gives me a suggested title, and watch this. If you ask it to refine it, it can make it shorter. And it scores each one of them. Or you can make it longer. I just love this. I love this tool. I really, really do. I thought about using it 6 months ago and I didn't. I wished I had. And look at this one, 90. How to create and sell amazing digital templates for beginners. So I'm going to stop right there and I'm going to apply that. Okay, so I have my title and then it gives you a description based on the title. Learn how to create and sell digital templates for beginners. In this video, we'll show you the step-by-step process of designing and selling digital templates, etc. Okay, by the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge and confidence to start creating and selling your own digital templates and earning passive income online. And then I love this. It gives you the tags already built in. Look at that. And it scores them. Just amazing, really. It gives you a thumbnail, although, I'm not using these thumbnails because I know how to use Canva, but maybe you don't know how to use Canva and you just want a quick thumbnail. You could choose one of these and then you can download it and then upload it to your video. Look at this. It gives you a hook. And you may say, what is a hook? A hook is just like it sounds. It hooks us to watch the video. And so what you want to do is say a hook at the beginning. Join me as I challenge myself to create and sell my first digital template from scratch and see if I can make my first sale in just 1 week. People love that. I love that. I watch people. I want to see, did they make their first sale within 1 week? And if they did, I'll watch the next video to see how they did it, and you probably will too. And then it gives you an outline, this is fabulous. Okay, so the hook, the introduction, the presentation of the problem or challenge, because online, if you can solve a problem, you have a good chance of being successful. Okay, so you have to identify the problem. And then it says exploration development. You'll explore the types of digital templates you can create, the key moment, an example of someone who turned their template into a thriving business. And then it gives you a conclusion. To wrap up, you will summarize the steps to create and sell digital templates. And this is really important right here. Call to action. Why is it? Because if you just end and say, okay, bye, and they're like, okay, bye, I'll just go on to the next somebody else's video. You need to say, click on the link below, give me a like and subscribe. And then if you have a product to sell, you say, be sure you check out, 100 ideas for YouTube topics for people over 40, which I do have. So click the link below and check it out. So that's my call to action. and then it gives you a script. What? Isn't this amazing? So helpful, especially when you're brand new at YouTubing, as a YouTuber, because our first thought is, okay, I think I know I want to talk about. What am I going to say? And can I talk that long? Because a lot of times I'll say everything I can think of, and it's only been 3 minutes. So so far it's been five, so I'm okay. I'm doing all right. But here we go. Here's the script. It's amazing, absolutely amazing. So, but you may think, the mentors say you don't want to be reading a script and you don't want to be going with your eyes back and forth like this. So, what you can do is choose that little copy to clipboard, and then there is a website I found, and there are lots of different ones, but this one is absolutely free, and we all love free. It's a free teleprompter. Okay. So what you do is you take that and you copy and paste. I just hit paste and I put this in here. Okay. And then while I'm making my video, watch this. Start. Let's see if it'll do it. Okay. Here we go. Oops. Okay. Look at this. So I'm assuming you'd have to you'd be filling up the whole screen with your face, and you just be looking at your camera. And did you know that digital templates can generate passive income for you while you sleep? And here's one thing I saw that you can do is you can actually break it up into like 3 words. So your head's not going left, right, or whatever. It depends on how particular you want to get with this. It's just a suggestion, because then you're not going like this. It doesn't look like you're reading a script. I saw someone saying that yesterday, but not necessarily. You don't have to do it. They also have fancy dancy teleprompters I saw, but I don't believe they were free. And they're actually voice activated, meaning that as you're reading it, it will just move with your voice, which is really, really cool. Okay, so then there's a record video here. So let's see what this looks like. Okay. So there it is. So isn't that the cool thing? So it shows me, and I could be reading this while you sleep, and see it's super fast. So you can go back here and you can slow it down, way down, and you could just play around with that. But I thought that was really cool. Okay. So you can take the script that you find in vidIQ, copy it to this free teleprompter, and just try it out. Just play around with the speed, the text size, and yeah, very helpful. You may not want to script at all, but I think some people just fly by the seat of their pants on YouTube. But I found out that I definitely need at least bullet points in front of me. And so I thought that might be helpful. So here's my call to action. Please give me a like. Please subscribe if you're not already subscribed to the channel, and check out that item in my shop. It's 100 ideas for YouTubers, and there's some really cool things in the shop. So anyway, you're invited. I hope that helps. Please leave your comments and questions below, because it helps me know where I need to fill in the gap for my next video. And I wish you all the success in the entire world on your YouTube channel or your online business. God bless you. Talk to you soon. Bye now.